Good morning. It is December 2nd. Yes, so Vlogmas day 3. I have coffee here. We have a brand new coffee maker, so we're trying some stuff out. I've opened my fruit spread advent calendar, and we have orange yuzu grapefruit spread. I'm not real excited about this one because I'm not a fan of grapefruit, but we'll see. And breakfast, we have a plain bagel with plain cream cheese and then some everything but the bagel seasoning and some bacon. And I've got half of it because that's all I really need. Sharing with my editor here. That's my breakfast. We'll see what the day brings. Okay, I just had lunch. My husband just went to McDonald's and picked up some fast food for us because there weren't many leftovers and nothing we wanted. And I'm sitting here with my hand in a Keurig trying to make it release all of its water because we got a new coffee machine and kind of want to not leave this one with yucky water in it. Anyway, spent some time trying to figure out what I'm making for the channel this weekend, and I have a few options. Yes, it's just gonna say prime. So I'm thinking of making sweet potential, which is a lot like the fig preserves I made recently, well, this summer. That's from This Will Make It Taste Good, or maybe hot chocolate, or hazelnut truffles. So if you have something you'd like to see, let me know in the comments down below. Okay, it's been a day. I had to go to Target. Well, I didn't have to go to Target, but I went to Target because I needed some time alone. And so now it's a little bit late. It's about 7:15, I think. And I'm just now making dinner. So I've decided to go with something super easy. Broke out the selfie stick. So let me know what you think about this. I am boiling some water for pasta. I've got some, let's see, let me see if I can show you. Got some frozen ground beef that looks really gross, defrosting and trying to cook and brown in the pan. And then I'm going to use my stewed tomatoes, which I'll link up wherever, up there somewhere. I'll link that. That I made from deep-fried roots. They were in the freezer, so those are defrosting in the microwave. And I'm going to put all that together with some elbow pasta. Maybe throw it in the oven with some cheese on top. We'll see. Whatever. That's going to be dinner. And so I'm just going to give you a little bit of a Target haul. I can't show you everything, and that's why I didn't film it all there. But I got myself a Coke Icy because that's one of my favorites. This is the only, I would have gotten a smaller one. This is the only size they had a lid for. But Christmassy stuff that I got this hot cocoa stand for a gingerbread, excuse my beeps, a gingerbread house for the kids to build. I had to get 2 of those so they can each do their own. These are for me. They are amaretto hot cocoa Milano cookies, and I really love the chocolate ones, the dark chocolate ones. But these are special holiday flavors, so I got that. We always get some of these, the chocolate covered cherries. They be like the dark chocolate ones, and they had them, so I got some. And as I mentioned earlier, we have replaced our coffee maker that was pods only to one that we can make pots of coffee. And so we needed some coffee. So I got some Reindeer Blend Caribou. Used to be one of my favorite places to go for a coffee, but it's on the other side of the city from where we are, and it's very sweet. It's like too sweet for me now. It makes me feel bad. I know I can ask them to make it less sweet. Whatever. Anyway, so I got their Reindeer Blend. I got this cute little Making Spirits Bright cocktail shaker ornament because I like that. I got some plain old peppermint candy canes on the tree. Hardly anybody actually eats them, but I like the way they look on the tree. And for the recipe I'm going to be filming this weekend, I got some bittersweet chocolate chips from Ghirardelli because I ain't got time to be chocolate, no chocolate. And it probably doesn't really matter for this recipe. As long as it's decent quality, it will be good. And so you should see that before Christmas. You can see what I'm going to make with that. And that's about it for right now. I'm going to go finish getting dinner ready. The kids have finally gone to bed because, you know, we had dinner late. So it was dinner and then pretty much immediately to bed. And we are going to open our Scotch whiskey advent calendar for today. For this one, we have number 2. I've got my
taster.
Chief bottle washer, my cocktail mixer.
Sure.
All of that here to taste with me because this is really his.
My job today is taster.
Today he's tasting. He's helping me taste. This is a single malt Scotch, 5 years old. It's a Speyside from, I can't read that. It's both small and...
You said you weren't going to read it.
Well, no, the distillery. This doesn't have the tasting. I want to taste it before, and I don't want to read the tasting notes to see what I should taste to see if I do taste those things. I can't. It's
a weird word.
Yeah, and it's cursive and it's small. So
Ink Gower.
Okay, so it's Ink Gower, whatever that is. I've never heard of that one, but I've probably never heard of many of them unless they are often sold here. And it was in first fill Madeira bottles. So I'm gonna split that. Pretty even. So we tasted that offline, but I was not a fan of this one. It was a little more burny and I like mine a little bit sweet. This is not that. This is bourbon, which is my alcohol of choice. And so this is Eagle Rare, which, you know, we're going to end the night with this. So I hope you've enjoyed my vlog and let me know what you think in the comments down below and come back tomorrow for hopefully another one.